Good morning, students. Today I want to discuss symmetry in mathematics. Symmetry will be same, equal about some line. Let's suppose I have this letter A. I want to see the symmetry in this figure. So we will draw a vertical line passing through the center, middle of this A. So left and right are same. Left and right are equal. They are the mirror image of each other. They are the mirror image of each other. Left and right are the mirror image of each other. So we will say A has one vertical line of symmetry. A has one vertical line of symmetry. See B. In B, if you will draw a horizontal line passing through the middle of this figure, above and below will be same. Above and below will be same. So here there is horizontal line of symmetry. Here there is horizontal line of symmetry. C. If I draw a horizontal line passing through the middle of this, then there is horizontal line of symmetry, because above and below are same. They are the mirror image of each other. So there can be one line of symmetry, there can be two lines of symmetry. Let's suppose I have an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, we will see that there is a line of symmetry in an isosceles triangle also. The altitude or median of this triangle will be the line of symmetry. Will be the line of symmetry. Because here we can see that in the left part and in the right part, both the triangles are mirror image of each other. So we will say that an isosceles triangle has a line of symmetry. An isosceles triangle has the line of symmetry because these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are same. So this line along the altitude or median is the line of symmetry in an isosceles triangle. Now, if I take an equilateral triangle, in an equilateral triangle, we can see that there are three lines of symmetry. One along the one median, another along the another median, and the last one along the other median are the three lines of symmetry. Where we can see that the left and right will be same. In the both the sides, you will get the mirror image of each other. So, in an equilateral triangle, there are three lines of symmetry. In an isosceles triangle, there is one line of symmetry. Now, if I ask you about rectangle, in rectangle, there is this vertical line of symmetry passing through the middle, and there is a horizontal line of symmetry passing through the middle. So in rectangle there are two lines of symmetry. If I say that there is a square, square is a very symmetrical figure. There are four lines of symmetry passing through the two vertical lines of symmetry. One vertical line of symmetry, one horizontal line of symmetry, and remaining two are along the diagonals. There are four lines of symmetry. So we are discussing symmetry. In different figures, we are having different lines of symmetry. Maybe there is no line of symmetry. Let's suppose I take Z. In Z, there is no line of symmetry. So Z has zero line of symmetry. Letter Z has zero line of symmetry. So in line of symmetry, now I have one question. Exercise 13.1, first question. The number of lines of symmetry in a scalene triangle. Number of lines of symmetry in a scalene triangle. Do you know scalene triangle? In scalene triangle, all the three sides are different. In scalene triangle, all the three sides are different. So we will say that scalene triangle, there is no line of symmetry. In scalene triangle, there is no line of symmetry. scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. So the answer of this first question is 0. Second question of this exercise, the number of lines of symmetry in an isosceles triangle. Already we have discussed that in an isosceles triangle there is one line of symmetry along its median, you can say, along its altitude or along its angle bisector. There is one line of symmetry. In an isosceles triangle there is one line of symmetry. In scalene triangle there is no line of symmetry, and in an isosceles triangle there is one line of symmetry. So here answer of question number 2 is 1, option B. Question number 3. Number of line of symmetry in an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. We had already discussed that an equilateral triangle is a symmetrical figure. From any viewpoint you see an equilateral triangle is symmetry, has symmetry all around symmetry. In an equilateral triangle, all around symmetry. All the 3 sides are equal, all the 3 angles are equal. So here in this figure, line passing through the angle bisector, median or altitude from all the vertices, there will be 3 line of symmetries. There will be 3 line of symmetries. In an equilateral triangle, there are 3 lines of symmetry. This is a very symmetrical figure. So answer of this question is 3, option D. Question 4. The number of lines of symmetry in a rectangle. Already we had discussed that rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. One this vertical, one this horizontal. So we will say that in a rectangle there are 2 lines of symmetry. Option B, 2. Question number 5. The number of lines of symmetry in a square. Square is again a very symmetrical figure, all around symmetry. Here there are 4 lines of symmetry. One is vertical passing through the middle, one is horizontal passing through the middle, and one along the one diagonal and another along the another diagonal. There are 4 lines of symmetry. One vertical, one horizontal, and another along the 2 diagonals. There are 4 lines of symmetry. So here in this question the answer is option D, 4. The numbers of lines of symmetry in the letter W. If you see W is again have a line of symmetry passing through the middle, and this is vertical. There is a vertical line of symmetry. In W there is a vertical line of symmetry. Now next, we have to find the number of lines of symmetry for the following figures. Rhombus. In rhombus we can see that all the 4 sides are equal. In rhombus all the 4 sides are equal. So here in rhombus we will say that there are 2 lines of symmetry along its diagonals. Diagonal will divide